ElevateNorthAdvisors Reviews often start with a practical question. What does ElevateNorthAdvisors actually provide? The company presents a web-based investing platform with 300+ instruments, real-time information, advanced tools, and professional support. According to the ElevateNorthAdvisors website, the platform is designed to bring multiple investing functions into one online environment. Users can access it directly through a modern browser without installing additional software. The company states that its investing environment includes more than 300 instruments and access to global opportunities. The website also highlights competitive spreads, real-time insights, and expert support available 24 hours a day during the 5-day market week. Market information is organized to make activity easier to understand. Price increases are displayed in green, while decreases appear in red. ElevateNorthAdvisors also adjusts display time automatically to the user's local time zone. This helps align charts, market activity, and updates with the user's actual location. Each asset can include its own description, market role, trading hours, contract expiration dates, and unique identifiers such as ticker symbols or asset codes. The website also describes access to more than 50 digital instruments and broader global market opportunities through a single platform environment. ElevateNorthAdvisors presents its platform around flexibility, market visibility, and access to practical resources. Users can combine manual portfolio management with other supported features depending on their preferred approach. For people researching ElevateNorthAdvisors Reviews, the platform can therefore be understood as an online investing environment that connects browser access, market information, global instruments, and account management tools in one place.